How's life? I hope you're doing well. The topic for today's video is IBM course on what is data science. Let's look at the specifications quickly. IBM is organizing an online course on what is data science. You can start this course for free for first 7 days with full access. This course is 100% online where you can complete this course as per your time and flexibility. This is a beginner track course, so if you have very few or no knowledge, you can still enroll in this course, and approximately will take 16 hours to complete this course. In this course, some of the most popular data science tools, how to use them and what are their features are the main topics. In this course, you will learn about Jupyter Notebooks, RStudio, IDE, Apache Zeppelin and data science experience. You will learn about what each tool is used for, what programming languages they can execute, their features and their limitations. Now let's look at the features. You'll have a shareable certificate. The course is 100% online. You can reset deadlines in accordance with your schedule. This is beginner level. You will take approximately 10 hours to complete this course and the medium of conduction will be English. Now let's look at the speakers. First one being Alex, who is a PhD holder and a data scientist at IBM. Another one being Polong Lin, who is a data scientist at IBM. The topics covered in this course will be defining data science and what data scientists do, data science topics and data sciences business. Now let's see how can we apply for this course. See, here's a link given. I'm clicking on this link. Once I click on the link, I am redirected to the website of Coursera. You can see this is the website of Coursera and the program is what is data science, with the instructor being Alex and one more. This is offered by IBM. You can enroll for free for first 7 days. They have given an overview of the course and different aspects of this course with a shareable certificate which is 100% online, flexible deadlines, beginner level, approximately 10 hours to complete and the medium of conduction being English. Thank you for watching.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine.